students, I am here again with articles. In my previous video, I discussed with you articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles, here and definite article, the. Today we will talk about definite article, the. There are certain rules of using article the. We use article the with unique nouns, titles, famous building, superlatives, river, seas, oceans, mountains, and things already spoken about. So let's begin with unique nouns. यूनिक नाउन, जैसा कि इनके नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, जो चीज़ें अपने आप में यूनिक होती हैं, उनके जैसा कोई दूसरा नहीं होता है. देयर वी यूज आर्टिकल द बिफोर दीज यूनिक नाउन्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सन, मून, अर्थ, all these are unique nouns, so we use article the before these. Titles. Titles are the name given to something, so we use article the before the titles. See example, Titanic, Times of India, Ramayana, all these are the titles. Titan is the title of ship, so we use article the. Times of India is a newspaper. Ramayana is also the title of a book or name of a book, so we use article the. Next is famous buildings. We use article the before the names of famous buildings. The Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Statue of Liberty. Next is superlatives. Superlatives are the degree of adjectives. We use article the before the superlative degree of adjective. Here is example. Honesty is the best policy. Best is the superlative degree of adjective, so we use article the. December is the last month of the year. Last is superlative degree of adjective, so we use article the. We use article the with before the names of rivers, the Ganga, before the names of seas, the Arabian Sea, oceans, the Pacific Oceans, mountains, the Himalayas. Next is things already spoken about. जिन चीज़ों की हम बात पहले ही कर चुके होते हैं, if they repeat again in a sentence, then we use article the before them. This is a boy. The boy is playing football. This is a boy. हम boy की बात कर रहे हैं and we are repeating the same boy again, so we use article the. So these are the rules of using article the. There are some rules where we don't use article the. So before proper nouns, we don't use article the before the proper nouns. Proper nouns we have already learned. Proper nouns are the names given a particular name or specific name of a person, place or things. So before the proper noun don't use article the. Abstract noun, जितने भी abstract nouns होते हैं उनके नाम से पहले हम article the नहीं लगाते हैं. और before metals or materials, for example copper, silver, gold, wood, cotton, we don't use article the. So these are the rules of using article the or not using article the.